SAIG career program in 3D animation and visual effects by St. Angelo's is designed for students who want to pursue their career and become professionals in media and entertainment industry. Course content is designed based on the standards of print and publish, 3D visualization animation, special effects and media and entertainment industry. Students will be given practical assignments and projects defined by the industry experts. All module under this program ends with final submission of project which will demonstrate his or her skills in respective fields in media and entertainment industry. All SAIG students are given exposure to industry by academic activities like seminars, workshops and industry visits. In today's time of multitasking, companies prefer candidates who can be modeler and a texture artist and can do visual effects also. He does not become redundant with a change in work profile due to his versatility with eligibility criteria of minimum 10th passed or a peer.
The reason I've chose St. Angelo's is because it provides great future, and St. Angelo's is a very good name across all over Mumbai. So why not join there?
I am here in St. Angelo's because my friends recommended, and this is great, this is awesome because it is giving us a great education according to the market scenario.
I love studying in here, the atmosphere is amazing and the faculties are too good.
The reason I chose this institution is because the faculty is very great over here. I have been doing my programming for last 2 years, and trust me, the faculty doesn't let me just do the assignments but also lets me broaden my search by doing the things outside the assignments. Like if I happen to do some project, they don't say, why have you done this thing? They allow me, they say, okay fine, get your queries, get your problems to me, and they help me through it a lot. That's the reason St. Angelo rocks.
I prefer St. Angelo's because the faculty here is very good and the environment is really student friendly.
The best thing over here is proper problem solving, and the faculty over here is very good.
Faculties are pretty informative and cooperative for each and everything.
Since 1993, we have trained more than 3 lakh students in various academic courses. St. Angelo's is committed to provide quality and industry-oriented training. We have advanced computer training lab, which enables us to deliver training on the latest software versions. Our unique facilities are lifetime practicals and course upgradations. This facility helps the student to upgrade technical skill even after completing the course with St. Angelo's Professional Education. St. Angelo's has an in-house research and development team which keeps on evolving new ways of learning and teaching. As well as it constantly creates new projects for students, giving them industry-oriented exposures.